soldier, turn this traitor so proud. He wants to fight for Queen and country. He wants to make his family proud. Cause we need to get out of it. It never ends that way. Last night another soldier, last night another child. No one seems to worry, no sense his mother cry. They're just fucked up figures on your TV screen. Another child, another soldier. Is peace just a dream? In a country strange and foreign, all the people resent him. Can't cope with their problems, all the fear and hatred. Now we should never went there, we should never started it. Not the same as fighting armies looking for the terrorists. They're just fucked up figures on your TV screen. Another child, another soldier. Is peace just a dream?
Can you hear them mocking laughter from the ones who came beneath? Not in line for the bullet, they're the one who started it.
They're just fucked up figures on your TV screen. Another child, another soldier. Is peace just a dream? Last night another soldier, last night another child. Just a number in the paper, another one that innocent. They're just fucked up figures on